In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to run Telegram ads using your mobile phone. Yes, now on this video, you're going to be getting the full detailed guide, and not only that, how to add funds into your Telegram ads account using your mobile phone, verifying your Telegram ads account, and so much more. So you are advised to watch it till the end so you don't miss any parts. My name is Ayotolani, and if you're new to this channel, we post about Google ads, Facebook ads, Twitter ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, and so much more like that. So you want to do yourself a favor, subscribe and hit the like button. So should in case you like this content, any question you have, just drop in the comment section. Feel free to drop comments so that this can push it to a lot of people who need help just like you. So if you need any help concerning Telegram ads or any type of ads at all, chat this number you see on the screen and I'm going to chat you, and we're going to speak one-on-one on WhatsApp and solve your problem. Let's get straight into it. You want to do right now is you want to go to ads.telegram.org. you can see it up here. Do you understand? In your Chrome browser you see it here. Okay, you don't have a laptop and I'm trying to use the phone for you. So once you click on go, you are going to see this place, Telegram ads website, right? The next thing you want to do right now is you're going to click on login to start advertising, and once you do this, you want to type in your phone number. Make sure the +234 is there, and my own is 9039737356, and I'm going to click on next. At the moment I click on it, you're going to see this on the screen. We've just sent you a message, please confirm access via Telegram. So I'm just going to go to Telegram. I'm going to click on confirm here, and let's see if it's going to open. You can see the next screen right now. So the next thing you want to do right now is you are going to click on create new ad. This, what I'm showing you, is how to create Telegram ads using your mobile phone in Nigeria, Africa, or anywhere you are in the world. Do you understand? So this video is being sponsored by one of my lovely clients. Do you understand? So I'm going to click on, now the first thing you want to do right now is you want to click on this, your DP, right? You want to click on your DP, and you're going to click on budget. Do you understand? Click on budget, and once you click on budget, then you are going to see something like add funds on fragment. One has their own cryptocurrency, and they only allow you to pay them in their own cryptocurrency. That is, Telegram has their own cryptocurrency, which is called Ton. Okay, so Ton is a Ton coin. It's a coin on its own, like we have Bitcoin, do you understand, USDT, and so much more like that. So now the next thing you're going to click on, you're going to click on add funds on fragment. And once you click on add funds of fragment, the next thing you are supposed to see here, due to the fact that I've been able to connect my Telegram wallet to this place, you will see an option whereby you can be able to connect your Telegram wallet, do you understand, or scan the Telegram the Ton address of your Telegram ads account. Do you understand? Okay, so if you don't understand this, just chat this number you see on the WhatsApp, or come back to me on WhatsApp if you have this video, and when you get to this stage you can show me and I can be able to guide you more on it. Just chat this number 09039737356 on WhatsApp. You can add the +234 at the front, +234 9039737356, and I can be able to guide you. So when you get to this place, you will see a code by which you can scan to get the Ton address of this your Telegram ads. Do you understand? And be able to, or you can connect your Telegram wallet, which you have on your Telegram wallet, okay, your Ton wallet on Telegram, and connect it to this place. Do you understand? Okay, so now sometimes whenever you want to, before you set up your payment method, Telegram will tell you to verify your identity. So it is very, very important that you verify your identity, because all social media ads network used to do this. Google, Facebook, every one of them, whenever you want to add payment method, that's where they used to tell you that you should verify your identity, because they want to know if you are truly the owner of this account and if you are advertising something that is genuine. Do you understand? So that is that. You get what I'm saying? So you can verify your identity by using your NIN card, your ID card, any of your national ID card. Do you understand? And once you've done that, Telegram will approve and send you a message. Added add 20 ton, because that's the minimum you can add into your Telegram ads account. 20 ton. So convert 20 ton to dollar. You are going to see that this is $55.55. Do you understand? So you can convert that to naira. That's 100 and something thousand plus. Do you understand? Or make sure you do your calculation very well. You can go to all these Bybit or Binance app and use that to check the rate of 1 ton. Then you multiply down number of US dollars in 1 ton and convert it to naira, and you will to get it. So the minimum you can add into Telegram ads is 20 ton. So if I click on add fund right now, then the next thing you will see is that to proceed you need to link your wallet, okay, whatever to your account. Please make sure you are using the correct wallet before confirming this action. Once linked, the wallet cannot be removed from the account. So you have to make sure that if you already have this wallet, do you understand? Okay, this is the wallet, this is the address, and this is the one for my Telegram. Do you understand? So if you click on link wallet, do you understand? Wallet has been successfully linked. If I click on continue, you are going to see it. I've linked my Telegram wallet here, and I can be able to add ton to my Telegram ads using this wallet, my wallet on Telegram. Do you understand? Insufficient funds, deposit ton space to make a transaction. So I can either click on deposit ton space, and I will copy this address and go and put it in Bybit. Do you understand? Put it in Bybit or put it in Binance. Do you understand? Where you already have USDT, you just go to Bybit or Binance, put USDT into the place, then go to the ton address, convert that your USDT to ton coin, and from that ton wallet or ton whatever you have there, do you understand, from the ton wallet in that your Bybit or Binance, then you just input this address. You click on copy address, paste it into the place, or show this QR, and you can use that feature of scanning. You scan it, then that thing will be scanned into your Bybit. Then you can send it to this wallet and deposit it, do you understand, into the place. Sure, you get what I'm saying? So that is that. So that is how you can be able to pay successfully. So this thing is confirming transaction in the wallet. I didn't mean I added it, it's going to confirm it. So I'm just going to go back. How do you run the ads? All you just need to do is you click on this icon, you click on create new ad, you input the title of your ad. Do you understand? So let's say for instance I want to run ads like, okay, so on this place, the first thing you're going to see is here is create your ad. This platform is in beta, which means is in text mode. Do you understand? So if you are running this Telegram ads for now, you should know that they are still testing some things out. And you see, we don't display your ad for users in the following countries: Russian Federation, Ukraine, Israel, and Palestine. And you're going to see the ad titles. Make sure you put something captivating to the ad title. You can see what I input here: join the best finance. Let me put it, finance channel update. Do you understand? Okay, you can input something very short and catch it there as for you. And the act test, you're going to see something like, we offer the best free tips, tricks, and updates on the best money making opportunities on our channel. Of course, whatever your channel is about, just make sure you put it and very brief. Do you understand? Then you're going to see something like URL you want to promote. This should be the URL of the channel. Do you understand, that you want to promote? You're going to see URL of the channel, post, or bot you promote. So input the link of your Telegram channel in this box, and once you do that, you're going to see something like initial status, right? The status will be applied to the ad after the review. So just make sure you select active. Do you understand? Make sure it's inactive. Then you're going to see something like set end date. Just don't set an end date, because for Telegram to even approve their ad, it takes some time, at least just a week. So if your ad is more than a week, just make sure you chat me on WhatsApp, and I can be able to give you more tips, and we'll be able to work on it. Do you understand? Okay. So you see something like run ad on schedule, leave that alone. You're going to see something like other information, leave that alone. And you're going to see something like target specific channels. Now this is going to determine where your ad is going to show and how well targeted, the kind of quality users you are going to be getting into your Telegram channel. Do you understand? So you want to go and get channels that are related only to your channel, that post same things as your channel, get their link and be pasting it into this place one by one. Do you understand? Just be pasting their link. The Telegram ads websites will be recognizing it and putting their name. Just be pasting it, paste it one by one, so you have maybe like between 5 or 10. Do you understand? Okay. Do you get what I'm saying? You see something like list specific channels you would like to target. Okay, so that is that. Then you see something like CPM in turn, that is price per 1,000 impressions. How much do you want to pay? So make sure you just put in maybe around 0.10. okay, or just put in 0.20, okay, which is one of the best. Do you understand? Or you put in, you see something like 0.20 equals 0.51 euros, right? So put in 0.20, it will make it go faster, right? Then you're going to see something like the daily views limit per user. So just put it in 2, right? One user can see your ads twice, and that is all. Do you understand? Then you're going to see something like initial budget in turn, okay? This amount will be added to the ad budget. Okay, so make sure you just add maybe, okay, let's say maybe you want to spend only 5 ton on this ad, and maybe you want to create some other ad for your other channels, and you want to spend for 5 ton. Then you can do it like this. Then once we've done this, then you're going to see this box. Just tick it. Make sure you tick this box here. Do you understand? To agree to their terms and conditions. And once you do that, you click on create ad. And once you click on create ad, your ads will be submitted for review. And once approved, your ad will start running.